So guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today's video is about one of the accessory which is a must for your Apple Watch. I recently bought this Apple Watch SE for myself and I was very curious to know if I can get a tempered glass like something to cover this up. After researching so many things online, I finally ordered this thing. So let's quickly unbox this and see what is there inside. Okay, so I have just got this thing. As you can see, the packaging is really nice, and let's just quickly open this. So guys, this is a silicone TPU material which I'll be putting on this Apple Watch for the protection. I've also tried a hard glass, tempered glass for this, but the touch response after putting that is very bad and I was very upset with that. So finally, after reading so much of things, I have ordered this TPU shell. So let's just try it how it works. So as you can see, these already have some slots for your belt to pass from there. So we'll quickly just open this up. There's a small button here which you can press and just open this belt. It's very easy. So moving on, with the cover looks pretty good in quality and I hope it should work. So we'll start with the notch thing. We will just put this inside, try to match it up, and then we'll put the rest. So I think I might struggle with this a little bit, but so guys, after much of a struggle, I am finally able to install this on my Apple Watch. Let's just test it. Oh my god, the touch response is pretty accurate and I can't see any lag in this. The only thing you might have to compromise is the look, which is pretty okay because if you're buying such expensive thing, you have to protect it. I will just put this back. Okay. You have to heard this click sound which confirms that the belt is now installed on the watch. So as you can see, the touch response is pretty accurate and I can't find any lag in this. I'm pretty happy with this. After trying the tempered glass one, this is good. I bought this from Amazon India for around $3.99. I'll give the link in the description box. Please check this out. Thank you for watching.